this is John Young. Today we're looking at a multi-function foldable trolley or hand cart, however you want to look at it. This is, we'll put the links in the description below so you can check this out. But this is a cool little cart that, and you've seen versions of these out there, and I wanted to kind of go into this one because this particular one is a stair climbing one, and it has a couple of additional things with it when you order this, so it can be used in a variety of different ways. First off, when it comes, you've got the little trolley itself. You've got a bag that can act as a storage bag. It can go in the bag, or the bag can be mounted on it. Bungee. And this one has wheels. It has a wheel kit with it, and I'll show you what that does in just a second, and the tools for the wheel kit. But this, I've been actually using it as this. It's a folding one where you put the platform down, your flat piece, and then the wheels pop out. Now you'll see that there are 3 wheels. They rotate that way, and you've got 3 very nice ball-bearing wheels right here. And what this allows you to do is to take a load upstairs. So for those of us in the music industry where we are hauling speakers and such, this kind of an option would allow you to extend the handle, and you have a nice little cart there. You can slide this under your speaker, tip it up, wheel it away, and then when you get to stairs, the little wheels down here will rotate up the stairway. Now I have this, it's designed to handle about 80 pounds going up the stairs. Well, I have two children. One is about 75 pounds, and one is probably about 125 pounds. So I put the 75-pounder on this. Up the stairs we went, and it was much easier than trying to carry him up the stairs. But we had some fun with that. Then I put my little older child on this at about 125 pounds, somewhere in that ballpark. It's not designed to take that level of a load. This is a plastic handle, and you could feel some flexibility in the handle as far as it was flexing as we went up, but it did function. My recommendation, stick with that 80-pound limit, as they say. Now, if you want to do some additional, or you want to be able to move a little bit heavier things, if you're not going up the stairs, you're going to be you'll be pretty good. You're going to be pretty good to be able to handle weight if you're not going upstairs, because you're not having as much force on this particular plastic part of the handle. But if you want to be able to haul some things, this is pretty cool. The little wheels actually get bolted right on to the bottom. Right here, there's 4 attachment points, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what ends up happening then is it becomes a little cart with the wheels on the bottom. You can kind of see it on the picture there. The wheels will go on the bottom, and now it's riding on those 4 wheels. When you are carrying a load that way on the wheels, now you're talking you can get 150 pounds plus on this cart with the 4 wheels and take it wherever you need to go. I like this idea, but I like this much better because I can slide in on something, grab it, tip it back up onto the handle, and off we go. So this is my way that I'm going to plan to use it, but it's neat that it has both abilities to do that. So let's take a look at the bag. The bag itself has a little kind of a slot here that we go. I'm going to lower the handle just a notch a little bit here so you guys can get it close. So the bag has a little sleeve a little pass-through sleeve that it's designed to go, and we're going to just take this up a little bit. And this is where the bag would go. This little strap goes up and over, and there's there's Velcro on both sides of it. And now I have a little bag that's attached. It's wrapped around behind, so it's not going to come off. And I can stick things in this particular bag. Once the bag is full, I've got a little cinch up on the front. I can do that. I've got my little clip, so I can fold that over, and I can put the clip on here and clip it together. And I've got my bag full of cords or whatever I would happen to do. To take it off, pull the Velcro off, slide the bag up and off, and I am good to go. The bag itself, it doesn't have a handle on it. That would be kind of convenient if I would be able to fill it with stuff and then have a handle that would come up and take the bag, and off we'd go. But it's going to be utilized for those times where you're probably going to fill the things with, like, take it shopping or take it to a craft fair or something, where you're going to fill it, and then once you're done with filling it, then you're going to empty it and then put it away and pack it away. We'll put a link in the description below so you can go check this out. I think this is going to be a very functional little product for a lot of people who want to be able to move some things around. And for a lot of folks, having a 200-pound, a unit that's going to handle 200 pounds is more than you weigh. And even though you could move it, it could be very dangerous. So having something a little bit more convenient that can fold up, fold down, fold up, and literally be slid right next to your refrigerator might be a really attractive device. Links in the description below. Check this out. Thank you for watching.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.